Good day everyone, this is my presentation of my research topic, the influence of social media on school students' online learning activities in Gubat, Sorsogon. Digitalization and the internet have ushered in a new era. With the use of social media, people are able to communicate wirelessly with one another. Social media has had an tremendous impact on our social lives. The majority of people believe this is a blessing, yet some believe it is a curse. People have become increasingly engaged to social media, which has both positive and negative aspects. It's all in our mindset and intention. We can accomplish so many wonderful things and so many harmful things in a social media. Marketer who helps people use social media to grow their business. Social media is an online platform that allows individuals to connect with one another. Everything in this digital world based on the internet. The communication system has changed dramatically as a result of social media. It has never been easier to communicate with on the planet. You can send a photo, text, or video to anyone in the world in a matter of seconds. It's a fantastic way to express our creativity. Social media isn't just for communication. It can be used to raise social consciousness. We can form a group and inform people about it if there are multiple difficulties. It was quite basic and straightforward. Social media has both positive and negative aspects. There are many benefits that could improve your life as well as some drawbacks that could ruin it. It is up to you make the decision. Whatever option you select, you will be comfort with it. I'm going to discuss some of the benefits of drawbacks of social networking today. I'm hoping you'll enjoy it. With so many benefits, it all has a few drawbacks. It is entirely dependent on the user aim. Although a platform is not inherently negative, it is frequently missed. Them sometimes propagate false and hateful message through without a counter. Choosing a disastrous scenario, this, the most serious issue in the social media is the spread of bogus news. In our daily lives, social media is quite important. It has had a significant impact on our lives. People nowadays can imagine a day without it. There are numerous effective strategies for using social media as teaching tool. We as educated individuals must learn this and use social media to its full potential. Some people believe social media is a blessing for humanity, while others believe it is a scourge but are true. It depends on how you intend to use it. As good people, we must make good as if it. Statement of the problem objective of the study 2. The major goal of the research is to look at the influence of social media on school students' online learning activities. The study's particularly goals are to examine the impact of social media on kids' attitude towards school learning. First thing to know is to determine the effect of social media of the disadvantage or advantage of it. Determine the impact of social media use on the writing skill of secondary school pupils in secondary education. Research need to know if the social media can help students beyond their writing skill. Determine the impact of social media use on secondary school student academic performance. Research methodology design 3. Research used qualitative for further explanation of the study. Participants, respondents. The respondents of the research problem is the elementary and high school student. Method of data collection. Research use paper, questionnaire, and interview the participant.